This is agarwood, a tree that could grow diamond. In just 10 years, this remarkable tree can turn your investment into an astounding return. It gives an average profit of 5 lakh rupees to 6 lakhs rupees per kg. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Today, we are going to explore the world of agarwood farming, and we'll learn how you can turn this valuable crop into a profitable business. What is agarwood? Agarwood, also known as Audi or Gaharu, is a rare and precious wood that is known for its fragrant and exotic scent. It is one of the most expensive woods in the world, and it is used in a variety of products, including incense, perfume, and medicine. When an Aquilaria tree is injured or infected by a certain type of fungus, it begins to produce a dark, resinous substance called agarwood. This resin is what gives agarwood its distinctive scent. The demand for agarwood. Agarwood has been used for centuries in a variety of cultures. It is a prized ingredient in incense, perfume, and medicine. In recent years, the demand for agarwood has increased dramatically. How to grow agarwood? Growing agarwood is a long and complex process. It can take up to 10 years for an Aquilaria tree to produce enough agarwood to be harvested. There are two main ways to grow agarwood: natural and artificial inoculation. Natural inoculation occurs when a tree is naturally infected by the fungus that produces agarwood. Artificial inoculation involves injecting the fungus into the tree. Artificially inoculated trees typically produce agarwood more quickly than naturally inoculated trees. However, the quality of the agarwood produced by artificially inoculated trees is often not as high as the quality of the agarwood produced by naturally inoculated trees. How to harvest agarwood? Harvesting agarwood is a delicate process. The resin must be carefully extracted from the tree without damaging the tree itself. There are two main ways to harvest agarwood: chiseling and drilling. Chiseling involves carefully chipping away at the wood to extract the resin. Drilling involves drilling holes into the wood and then extracting the resin. How to process agarwood? Once the agarwood has been harvested, it must be processed before it can be sold. It involves cleaning, drying, and grading the agarwood. The agarwood is then graded based on its quality. The higher the quality of the agarwood, the higher the price it will fetch. Marketing agarwood. There are a number of ways to market agarwood, including online sales, trade shows, and direct marketing to retailers. The profitability of agarwood farming. You can plant 1501 acre. The current market price for agarwood ranges from 5 lakh rupees to 6 lakh rupees per kilogram. If each tree in your acre yields 5 kilograms, then 1500 trees, each yielding 7,500 kilograms of agarwood, that's a jaw-dropping 37,500 lakh rupees to 45,000 lakh rupees for just 1 acre of land. Agarwood farming can be a profitable business. However, it is important to note that it is a long-term investment. Thank you for watching this video on profitable agarwood farming. I hope you learned something new about this fascinating and lucrative crop. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more exciting agricultural insights, and share this video with fellow eco-enthusiasts.